Good day, friends. Wish you all the best and welcome back. We are going to cook potato and leek soup. We obviously need some potato and some leek, so we put a couple of potatoes in the pot and pour water on top of it and put it on the stove to boil. And now we are going to cut the leek. We first get rid of the roots and then the top. Then we cut lengthwise from the middle. The amount of leek that you're going to use depends on how many people you want to make the soup for and how much leek you would like to have it, so it's all up to you. Now when we cut it lengthwise, we are going to cut it into small pieces like I'm going to show you. I'm going to use 2 leeks today, so I will cut the other one off the camera just to save time. As I mentioned, I'm going to do the rest off the camera. Now the potatoes have been boiled and I'm going to cut them into smaller pieces. I have peeled them already. They are still hot, so you gotta be careful. As you can see, the skin came off in one piece. Now, as you can see, I've done all the leeks and they're ready. We also need 6 cloves of garlic and some potato that I've boiled and chopped already, and some the aromatic herb and black pepper and salt, and also fresh coriander and fresh parsley. Now we put a wok on the stove and put some butter in it and wait for the butter to melt. When the butter is melted, we are going to add the garlic. And we wait for the garlic to start bubbling and we smell the aroma. Then we add the leeks. Because we are using leeks, we don't need onion. So we are going to put the lid on and wait for it to get softened, like you can see now. Now we add the potatoes to the leek and garlic mixture. And now we add half a teaspoon of black pepper and half a teaspoon of salt. And 1 tablespoon of mixed aromatic herbs that I've made myself. You can use any herb you like. I've given you the mixture that I've made in the description. You can have a look if you like to do it that way. Now we mix everything together. And we add some water. And put the cover on and let it simmer for on the medium heat, and we keep watching it. When the mixture is ready and it's cooked, we are going to leave it aside so that it cools down. And when it's cooled down, we are going to transfer it into a mixer. When the wok is light enough and it's not heavy anymore, we can pour it from the top. And now put the lid on and start the mixer. When the mixture is ready, we are going to transfer it back to the wok. Now we are going to add some fresh parsley and fresh coriander that we chopped. And add some more water. Then put it on the heat and put the cover on and let it simmer on the low heat until it's cooked. We will test it every now and then to see if it's cooked, and also I'm going to taste it for to see if the salt is enough. I think we need some more salt, so I'm going to add some more. Because it's a bit thick, we are going to add some more water as well. The thickness depends on you, how you like it. And then put the lid back on and let it simmer on the low heat again until it's finally cooked, and we transfer it into a serving dish and add some parsley in the middle for garnishing, and then I add some cream for decoration, and you can have it with any type of bread you like. Well, thank you very much for watching. I hope you liked it, and have a nice day.